Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, we are going to have a hula practice of You Are My Strength. We are going to dance verse 1, verse 2, the chorus, followed by verse 3, and repeating the chorus 2 times through. Are you ready? Ho'oma kau kau.
You are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other, reaches to me. You are my hope, hope like no other, hope like no other, reaches to me. In the fullness of your grace, in the power of your name, you lift me up, you lift me up. Let's sing. Unfailing love, stronger than mountains, deeper than oceans, reaches to me. In the fullness of your grace, in the fullness of your grace, in the power of your name, you lift me up, you lift me up. In the fullness of your grace, in the power of your name, you lift me up, you lift me up.
Mahalo for tuning in today with iHula Hawaii. I look forward to seeing you back next Friday as we learn the bridge to this worship hula. I'd love it if you'd give a thumbs up, if you like the video, share my channel with someone, and subscribe and click the bell if you haven't already. Until we see each other again next week, ahui ho and aloha!